What's up, guys and gals? My name's Cole, and today we're looking at my LEGO Ford Raptor MOC. Today I'm very excited to share my two new MOCs. I guess technically they're not new. They are a upgraded version of an old MOC, which if you guys been hanging around here for a while, you've probably seen it. The old Hennessey VelociRaptor 6x6 and Ford Raptor 4x4, if that makes sense. This is my new version, and today we're going to show you what's new about them, and I'm just going to show you them in general, I guess. So, before we start, as always, the instructions are available at the link in the description below at Rebrickable.com. Now, the Ford Raptor is basically an off-road ready variant of the Ford F-150, and when you see one drive by, you're like, oh wow, that guy is so cool, I want to buy one and get myself a cowboy hat and put on some country music and get some like really rugged hiking boots that I'll never use. The Hennessey VelociRaptor 6x6 is basically an exaggeration of the Ford Raptor in a sense. It is basically a company in Texas that'll take your Ford 4x4 Raptor and they'll basically chop the rear end off and give it another axle and two more wheels and turn it into this thing. And it's basically, you know, the coolest truck that you could possibly dream up, except that it can't be that practical for parking at least. And that's like, you know, thinking practically, but if you're thinking impractically, it'd be pretty fun. So the main difference between my old Raptor and new Raptor is the headlight design, obviously, which was inspired by two of my favorite builders on Instagram and YouTube, well, Instagram mostly, I guess. One of them is known as JM Bricks on Instagram, the other one is known as Bricks, Blocks, and MOCs, most of you have probably heard of by now. On YouTube and Instagram, all the links are in the description below. And they were the original designers of this like headlight design, so I recommend you go check them out if you have not yet. The other upgrades are minor, basically some stuff along the sides to make the sides more realistic, and just some minor modifications to the taillights. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same. The both versions fit 4 minifigures and quite comfortably, so you know you can get a minifigure with a large hairpiece or something like that. So it's kind of fun to mess around with these trucks because they have working in the sense that they fit stuff in the cargo bed and they have an opening tailgate, so it's kind of fun to mess around with, you know, minifigures and cargo and things like that. So guys, I guess that's it for today's video. It was kind of short because I already talked about these models in previous videos. I kind of just want to make a new video to update on the new models. So that's it for now. The instructions are available at the link in the description below, like I mentioned. Thank you guys for all the support, with the likes and the comments and the subscribes or whatever you call them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.